Mainit talaga siya dong. Mainit? It's hot. Mainit talaga siya. It's hot? It's hot?
Where put the fork here? Mom, my face is literally burning.
Yeah, it's hot, love. Careful then. Yan. Thank you. Ayan, ganito yan siya, guys. Lalagay mo siya dun sa grill. Sila na mag-iikot niyan. Oh, do it, Bemo. Sila na maglalagay niyan. O, diba? Hindi ka nang papagod sa kaka-barbecue.
You got some rice for the kids? Do you want some rice, Maria?
Yeah, they will love rice and this one to meet.
Do you want mixed with
Diba?
some rice? What?
Hindi ko alam kung ano to. What is it? Like bamboo? Hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam. Pickles? Noodles. Ah, yung noodles.
Come on, you cook. So I usually have
Chinese
people,
noodles.
people who work for me cook.
It's too late.
Wait, what?
Huwag mo pa rin. Okay. Ano mo guys gagawin niya? Ilagay niya yung ano dyan, yung
New style.
tipid-tipid daw. Pilipino rin pala to. So, nilagay niya yung meat dyan sa may mint sauce. Kasi paubos na. Filipino style, babe.
Filipino style?
Yeah. And then, shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake.
And then, because ubos na kasi yung mint sauce. So, yan. Dala namin yan eh. may mint sauce kami sa lamp namin.
And you need a bit of salt.
Ay, dami.
Got a lot of salt.
Ba yan?
Well, you're grubby.